The idea today is to rerun my zero gauge going underneath the car. I have the power going through here, fishing down underneath the car. Then I have a ground looped through and also going underneath the car, running parallel to the brake lines. So you can see that. Go back to some grommets underneath the trunk. So I don't like that. And I found that this has, I think it's like the alarm that was here. Sorry, let me focus it. This was mounted where those two holes are with self-tapping screws. And I was like, oh, well, let's see. Does that fish through? To some more manageable. And sure enough, there are the holes. I just have to be careful with the one to the left since it's very close to the brake booster. So the idea is to run those holes, but enlarge them with a step drill. And got my Makita right here. Enlarge them, and we'll go from there. Only thing is I only have one waterproof grommet, and the other ones are just regular grommets, but we'll see. I'll make it work. All right, final product, and bam, bam, it cleared the booster. So there are my new holes there, and I think it's an inch. I'll update the description needed. And first I went about here. Let's see, where's the lengths? Oh, there, you can't really see them. So I went 3/4, and then I finished it off with this brute. And I got these, by the way, for $20 at Harbor Freight. So I did all the way up to an inch. You can see where it went through. It started getting pretty dull after the second hole, though. You know, Harbor Freight, what do you expect? And I was able to get those. This goes right in there. I just have to figure out the orientation now. Whether I think the inside comes inside like that, so I'll figure that out in a little bit. But I only have one of these. I'm gonna have to do with one for power, and then I have another one somewhere. Here we go. That should accommodate the zero gauge. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to order another one of these from Sky High. $5, so not a bad deal. All right, it's midday now. Probably later, 3, maybe 4. I started around 10. Took some breaks between. Checked up on the kids. But here it is. Here's my 2 zero gauge. This is the one that was underneath the car. This is the high temperature electrical tape, 3M. And I have them there. Since this one has the electrical tape, I put that one through the smaller grommet. Waterproof grommet. I'd use this one without the insulation. The idea is that these right here are going to go in the battery delete on the bottom. I had to pull the wire out this way, out and down here, so that I could hammer crimp them and then pull them back in. Measured it. I have enough slack on this new one that I just ran, but this other one is might be a little shorter, but that's okay because I can fuse it in the back. That's how it looks from inside. I'm gonna go down here and through the back, try to shove them down here. Right here, so you push them through the back, and it'll be snaked through down here. So this is the ground. I left the ground. I did leave that one running through the bottom, which is fine. It's a little safer because of it being ground. Not a lot of weight now on the brake lines or gas lines, so I think I'll be all right. So it's gonna go there. There's still more to come, but yep, that's my double zero gauge run review.